Hello and welcome. In this video, you will learn what the ketogenic way of eating is, what benefits it will give you, what challenges you may face, and what foods to eat and avoid. In this video, I'm going to answer all these questions. So please keep watching to discover everything to know about this magic formula in this video. But before we start, please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. This little action really supports us so much and motivates us to produce more and helpful contents for you. Would you like to know exactly what you should eat to lose weight without giving up your favorite food or starving yourself? And you make sure that the keto diet is right for you or not. So click on the link in the description and consult our support to get a customized plan for your keto diet. And get the deliciously easy keto recipes book as a gift. And now let's see the rest of the video. In this video, we are going to explore 27 easy low-carb snacks that are both delicious and nutritious. Number 1. Olive tapenade with low-carb crackers. Carbs per serving: approximately 1 gram per 2 tablespoons olive tapenade and 17 almond flour crackers, for a total of 18 grams of carbohydrates. Olive tapenade consists of chopped olives, capers, and olive oil. Olives are an excellent low-carb source of vitamin E, which functions as a powerful antioxidant in your body, protecting cells against damage caused by reactive molecules called free radicals. You can easily make olive tapenade at home by combining chopped olives, capers, garlic, and olive oil. Pair it with a low carb for a crunchy snack. Keep in mind that the approximate number of carbs in your snack varies based on the type of crackers you use. Number 2. Homemade trail mix. Carbs per serving: approximately 5 grams per a quarter cup. Trail mix often contains high-carb ingredients like raisins, candy, and dried fruit. However, you can make a low-carb version by combining a variety of nuts and seeds, along with other low-carb ingredients, such as unsweetened coconut. For an easy trail mix recipe that yields about 12 1/4 cup servings, combine the following: 1 cup of pecan halves, 1 cup of chopped walnuts, half a cup of roasted pumpkin seeds, half a cup of unsweetened coconut flakes. Number 3. Cheddar cheese crisps. Carbs per serving: 0.6 gram per 1 ounce sharp cheddar cheese. Cheddar cheese is a versatile low-carb snack containing less than 1 gram of carbs per 1 ounce serving. For a delicious crispy alternative, try homemade cheddar cheese crisps. Cut thin slices of cheddar cheese into small, individual squares. Place the squares on a baking sheet and bake at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes, or until crisp. You can also look for packaged cheese crisps at the store. Number 4. Deviled eggs. Carbs per serving: 0.6 gram per 2 deviled eggs. 1 large egg has less than 1 gram of carbs. Eggs are also rich in vitamin B12 and choline, which are essential nutrients for brain health. To make deviled eggs, slice hard-boiled eggs in half lengthwise. Scoop out the egg yolks and combine them with mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, salt, and pepper. Then, place a spoonful of the egg yolk mixture back into the egg white and top with a dash of paprika. Number 5. Tuna salad lettuce wraps. Carbs per serving: approximately 1 gram. 3 ounces of canned tuna contains no carbs and nearly 25 grams of protein. To make tuna salad, combine a 3-ounce can of tuna with a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise and a 1/4 cup of diced celery. Season the mix with salt and pepper to taste. For a low-carb wrap option, spoon tuna salad into a butter lettuce leaf. Number 6. Berries and whipped cream. Carbs per serving: approximately 12 grams. Berries are not only highly nutritious, but they're also a lower-carb fruit choice. For example, blueberries provide just 11 grams of carbs in half a cup. For a delicious, low-carb snack, combine half a cup of blueberries with 2 tablespoons of homemade whipped cream. You can make this by whipping heavy whipping cream without sugar. Number 7. Stuffed avocado. Carbs per serving, approximately 6 grams per 1/2 medium avocado stuffed with 3 ounces canned salmon. 1 medium avocado has 12 grams of carbs. However, 9 grams of these carbs are derived from fiber, an indigestible nutrient that your body doesn't absorb, making avocados an excellent option for low-carb diets. To make a stuffed avocado, slice it in half and remove the pit. Then, spoon your desired low-carb stuffing into the center of the avocado. Try filling avocado with canned salmon or tuna, chopped shrimp, or scrambled eggs and cheese. Number 8. Dark chocolate with cashew butter. Carbs per serving, approximately 17 grams. Dark chocolate is a great low-carb snack when you crave something sweet. 1 ounce of at least 70% dark chocolate provides about 13 grams of carbs and 3 grams of fiber, although some brands have less. Try pairing 1 ounce of dark chocolate with 1 tablespoon of cashew butter for an additional source of protein and fat. Be sure to select at least 70% dark chocolate, as lower percentages may have more carbs per serving. Avoid dark chocolate with lots of added sugar or sweetened dried fruit, which can bump up the carb count. Number 9. Carrot sticks with homemade aioli. Carbs per serving, approximately 10 grams. Carrots contain fewer carbs than you may think for a sweet vegetable, with 10 baby carrots providing just 8 grams, plus 3 grams of fiber. For a tasty snack, pair baby carrots with a low-carb dip like homemade aioli. To make aioli, mix a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 1 minced clove of garlic. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Number 10. Strawberry smoothie. Carbs per serving, approximately 23 grams. While smoothies made with lots of fruit, juice, and sorbet can be very high in carbs, you can make a lower-carb smoothie with the right ingredients. For example, strawberries are a delicious lower-carb fruit, with 1/2 cup providing just 6 grams of carbs. To make a low-carb strawberry smoothie, blend the following together. 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, 1/2 cup of fresh strawberries, 1/4 cup of whey protein or another low-carb protein powder, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a few ice cubes. Number 11. BLT lettuce wrap. Carbs per serving, approximately 3 grams. BLT sandwiches are a popular lunch meal that are typically high in carbs. However, you can easily make a low-carb BLT wrap without bread for a delicious snack. Place 3 slices of tomato and 2 slices of bacon into a large romaine lettuce leaf. For more flavor, add a few slices of avocado and a small handful of shredded cheese. Number 12. Sweet bell peppers and smashed avocado. Carbs per serving, approximately 12 grams. Though their name may imply a high sugar and high carb content, sweet bell peppers are a low-carb vegetable. They provide just 5 grams of carbs in about 1 cup. They're also rich in vitamin C, which is an essential nutrient for your heart, immune system, and skin. In fact, 1 green bell pepper has more vitamin C than an orange. Make a quick low-carb guacamole dip for 1 cup bell pepper slices by mashing 1/2 avocado, 1 tablespoon lime juice, and salt together in a bowl. Number 13. Kale chips. Carbs per serving, approximately 3 grams per 3 cups torn kale and 1 tablespoon olive oil. Kale is a popular low-carb veggie that's packed with nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin K, and folate. 1 cup of kale contains less than 1 gram of carbs. If you aren't a fan of raw or sautéed kale, try snacking on kale chips. To make kale chips, rip kale leaves into bite-sized pieces and place them onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Drizzle the kale with olive oil, garlic powder, and salt. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes, or until the leaf edges start to brown and crisp. Number 14. Fresh veggies with tzatziki dip. Carbs per serving, approximately 5 grams per 2 tablespoons tzatziki and 1 cup raw broccoli. Tzatziki is a Greek sauce made from plain yogurt, garlic, and cucumbers. Fresh herbs, including dill and parsley, are often added as well. 2 tablespoons of tzatziki dip provide only 1 gram of carbs, making it an excellent low-carb choice. Pair the dip with fresh, low-carb veggies like broccoli, celery sticks, or baby carrots. Number 15. Carrot sticks and peanut butter. Carbs per serving, approximately 15 grams per 10 baby carrots and 2 tablespoons peanut butter. Dipping carrot sticks into creamy peanut butter is a surprisingly delicious low-carb snack. Plus, peanuts are a good source of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and also provide some plant protein. Many peanut butter brands contain added sugar, so it's best to choose a natural variety made only of peanuts and a little salt. Number 16. Low-carb bento box. Carbs per serving varies. A bento box is a compartmentalized container that can hold many food items. Pre-made bento boxes can contain 20 to 40 grams of carbs depending on which foods they contain. To make your own low-carb bento box, fill it with a variety of low-carb snack items, such as protein like cottage cheese, hard-boiled eggs, grilled chicken, cheese squares. Nuts like almonds, walnuts, macadamia nuts, peanuts. Fresh veggies such as celery sticks, sliced cucumber, bell pepper slices, broccoli. Low-carb fruits such as berries, cantaloupe, avocado slices, olives. Number 17. Cinnamon toasted pumpkin seeds. Carbs per serving, approximately 5 grams. 1 ounce of pumpkin seeds without their shells contains 4 grams of carbs and almost 2 grams of fiber. What's more, pumpkin seeds are rich in zinc, an essential mineral needed for optimal immune health and metabolism. To make toasted pumpkin seeds, combine 1 ounce of pumpkin seeds with 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon and 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Spread the seeds onto a baking sheet and bake in the oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes, or until golden brown. Number 18. Savory cottage cheese. Carbs per serving, approximately 13 grams in 1/2 cup cottage cheese with 1 cup grape tomatoes. 1/2 cup of cottage cheese has 5 grams of carbs and 12 grams of protein. It's also rich in bone-building minerals like calcium and phosphorus. Though fruit is a common addition to cottage cheese, you can also make it savory and lower in carbs by adding avocado slices, grape tomatoes, chopped green onions, or hot sauce. Number 19. Steamed edamame. Carbs per serving, approximately 14 grams. Edamame are green, unripe soybeans that are packed with nutrition. For instance, they contain compounds called isoflavones that may help prevent bone loss, among other benefits. A 1-cup serving of edamame contains just 14 grams of carbs and more than 18 grams of plant-based protein. For a simple low-carb snack, toss raw shelled edamame into a bowl with 1 tablespoon of water. Cover with a paper towel and microwave on high for 1 minute or until tender. Season lightly with sea salt and enjoy. Number 20. Plain yogurt with nuts. Carbs per serving, approximately 14 grams per 6 ounces yogurt and 1 ounce almonds. Traditional flavored yogurt is often high in added sugar. Selecting unsweetened plain yogurt eliminates all of the added sugar, which minimizes the carb content, although milk and yogurt do contain some natural sugars. For example, a 6-ounce serving of plain, unsweetened, whole milk yogurt contains just 8 grams of carbs. To keep it a low-carb snack, pair plain yogurt with a handful of nuts. Boost the flavor by adding a dash of cinnamon or vanilla extract. Number 21. Avocado egg salad. Carbs per serving, approximately 6 grams. Use a mashed avocado in place of mayonnaise for a unique spin on egg salad. To make avocado egg salad, simply mash 1/2 avocado with a hard-boiled egg. Season lightly with salt and pepper. Enjoy avocado egg salad by itself, spread onto low-carb crackers, or scooped into a lettuce wrap. Number 22. String cheese. Carbs per serving, approximately 1 gram. String cheese is an easy and portable low-carb snack. Plus, it packs 8 grams of filling protein in a single stick. Cheese is also a great source of calcium, which is an essential mineral needed for bone health, muscle function, and your nervous system. Number 23. Apricots stuffed with blue cheese. Carbs per serving, approximately 5 grams. Unlike dried and canned varieties, which tend to be high in sugar and carbs, fresh apricots are low in carbs, with one fruit containing only 4 grams. To make a stuffed apricot, cut apricot in half and remove the pit. Mix a 1/4 cup of blue cheese crumbles with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Spoon the mixture into the center of each apricot half. Broil on a cooking sheet for 1 to 2 minutes until toasted. Number 24. Smoked salmon cucumber bites. Carbs per serving, approximately 4 grams. Salmon is an excellent, low-carb source of the long-chain omega-3 fatty acids EPA and DHA. These healthy fats have been linked to many benefits, including reduced inflammation and improved heart health. Spread 2 tablespoons of plain cream cheese on 1 cup cucumber slices, then fold 1 ounce smoked salmon on the slices and top with fresh cracked pepper. Number 25. Seaweed sheets. Carbs per serving, approximately 5 grams per 1 sheet. Dried seaweed sheets are a crunchy, portable, low-carb snack. Seaweed is one of the best natural dietary sources of iodine, a mineral that supports thyroid health. Your thyroid gland makes essential hormones needed for metabolism, growth, and development. Seaweed can be enjoyed by itself or paired with avocado slices, scrambled eggs, or cut up into a salad. Number 26. Caprese salad. Carbs per serving, approximately 6 grams. Caprese salad is a low-carb Italian dish made with mozzarella cheese, tomatoes, basil leaves, and olive oil. To make, combine half a cup of grape tomatoes, 1 ounce of bite-sized mozzarella balls, and 1 tablespoon of chopped, fresh basil leaves. Toss with 1 tablespoon of olive oil and a dash of sea salt. Drizzle 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar over the salad for an additional boost of flavor. Number 27. Sardines on seed crackers. Carbs per serving, approximately 11 grams per 1 can sardines and 7 seed crackers. Sardines are small, oily fish that are packed with nutrients. 1 can of sardines has 0 carbs and 23 grams of protein. These fish are also an excellent source of calcium, providing 27% of the daily value for this mineral. Try pairing sardines with low-carb, 6-seed crackers for a crunchy and nutritious low-carb snack. Keep in mind that the carb content of your snack will depend on the type of cracker you use. There's more than one way to eat low-carb, but if you're following a low-carb diet, it's a good idea to keep plenty of healthy snacks on hand. Making a low-carb meal plan or menu can also help you stick to your goals. The low-carb snacks above offer beneficial nutrients like protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Plus, they're delicious and can help satisfy your hunger between meals. It's a valuable investment that you have ever made in your life. Get your Custom Keto Diet today. Click the link in the description to start right now. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video, and if you have any question, please go ahead, let me know by leaving a comment below right now.